Do this. Talk about this. Have this on your first date. Here's the piece that's missing. Explain this to me. And it solves it. What if you could hire somebody who would show you how to fix all the worst headaches in your relationships fast? Would you do it? Well, that's what I do. I am an attachment specialist and I coach on attachments, relationships, dating, and marriage. I show people step by step how to fix their biggest headaches in their relationships. This is one of the biggest questions I get. Adam, what is attachment? What is an attachment specialist? What's attachment coaching? What does that even mean? I walk in and I say, tell me everything in your life that you hate. All the things you don't like about yourself, about other people in your life, about your relationships, about your satisfaction or lack thereof. Tell me all those things. What are your goals? What are your frustrations? And now you never have to worry about finding those solutions again because I will find them for you. Talk to me about them and I will unravel those knots for you and we will solve them together. And then we do. People come in unhappy, miserable, lonely, hurting. They've had 5 bad relationships in a row. They don't know how to manage difficult or toxic family members. They have no friends and they hate themselves. And I say, okay, we need to start with you. Let's teach you how to respect yourself. Find your needs, build your principles, be a person you actually respect and like. Then they do. And it's amazing and they feel great. And then I say, now let's talk about other people. Let's talk about your friends and family. Let's get you connected so you're not desperate and lonely and hurting and confused and afraid. And we do that too. It's wonderful. And they're thrilled. And life feels so much better. It's like there is real life again. It's wonderful for them. And then I say, okay, next let's talk about dating and marriage. Where are you at with those? How do we build those? What's your problems? We work on them. And I say, okay, do this. Talk about this. Have this on your first date differently. Do this second date differently. Have this conversation. Here's what you need to do with your boyfriend. Okay, he's acting that way. Have this conversation. Here's the piece that's missing. Explain this to him. Here's a video you can watch. Here's this guide. Here's this resource. And it solves it. And they come back almost crying like, Adam, I never thought life could feel this good. What is happening? And they're thrilled. And their problems are gone. Because when you fix your attachment, you improve all your relationships, which improves the overall quality of your life. Think of everything in your life. What is a relationship connected to in your life? Everything. Your work is all about the relationships with the people you're working with or selling to. Your life, your friendships, relationships, your dating relationships, your marriage relationships. If you have kids, those are relationships. Even the relationship to yourself. All of these are relationships. So what if you could hire somebody who could come in and show you all the things you've been missing? Who could show you all the pieces that need to get put in place and show you where to put them and how to do it. Phrases to use, exact techniques. What if you could do that? That's me. I would love to work with you. Click the link below and contact me and start setting up a session with me. You can email me at adam@adamlanesmith.com. Check my website at adamlanesmith.com. I've got consult packages. I have everything you need. If you want a complete life overhaul, you can schedule 12 sessions with me at a discount. I'm here. I want to work with you, and I want to show you how to solve all the problems in your life that have kept you awake at night so that you can build a fulfilling relationship with yourself and with everybody in your life. And that's a life you can look forward to.